Welcome to Crazy Coders Club once again. This is the second part of landing page design. In the first part, we have developed this navigation bar and added a smooth hover effect. In this part, we'll add the tagline section and design this beautiful button. In case if you have not watched the first video, I would recommend you to go through the description and check out the video and then come here. Let us continue the project. Let us start defining it in HTML. First, we'll wrap all this tagline inside a class, inside a division with a class name called tagline. So let us close the tag. Okay. First will be h1 element. Inside the h1 element, I'm going to put this company tagline. Let us just copy and paste. Okay, fine. And then we'll have one paragraph, a small paragraph. Okay, let us just copy the paragraph which is already there here and paste it inside the paragraph. Let us just refresh it. It has come, but it is not positioned properly. And let us add the link for the join us button. We'll style this link as a button. I'm going to give a class name as button ghost. This is a name for the particular styling. Okay, let us hyperlink reference will be pointing nowhere. That's why I'm going to give hash. Okay, the text will be join us. Refresh it. Everything has been added, but we need to position it properly. First, we'll target the class tagline. I'm going to use a position absolute and I want that element to be in the center. So I will transform. First, let us add the width and then top 50% and left 50%. It is going to move 50% from the top and 50% from the left and transform it using transform property and translate. This translate, what it will do is it will take the half of the width and half of the height and it will bring the element to the center. Let us just refresh it. Everything has come to center. Okay, fine. Let us style our h1 and p. So for both h1 and p, I'm going to use a color white and this is all typography. Letter spacing 1 pixel and word spacing 3 pixel for better readability. And let us just refresh it. Okay, everything has been added, but I want some margin at the bottom. Everything looks congested, so I'm going to add a margin top 0 and margin bottom 20 pixel. Okay, let us save it and refresh it. Yes, the margin has been added. Tagline should be below the light. That's why I'm going to increase to the 60%. Let us refresh it. Yes, it has come below the light. Now we'll add some properties to the H1. I want the font weight to be 400 and text transform to the uppercase and also the font size is 2.4 rem, that is 240% of the root element. Okay, these are the three properties which I'm adding to the H1. Uppercase. Okay, fine. Let us add font size to the paragraph. That is, I'm going to use a font size of 1 rem, that is 20 pixel only, as same as the root element. Okay, refresh it. Yes, the text has been transformed, but I want the company name to be in the italic. Let us add the emphasize tag, em tag, so that that company name is emphasized. You can see that it has been later. Now it has become italic. Now we'll add a a smooth hover effect to the link. Let us copy the class name, come to CSS, and first let us remove all the default styling. First, I'm going to display it as inline block. Then text decoration will be none. So to remove the border at the bottom, yes, it has been removed now. Let us add the font size. I want the font size to be 1.1, that is 110% of the root element. And color of the text will be somewhat orange. I have already specified which color is to be. Let us copy the color and paste it here. Okay, it's good now. Let us refresh it. Yes, it has been added. We need to add a border of 1 pixel solid with the same color as the text. Let us copy the color and paste it here. Okay, fine. We have added the border. Let us see how it looks. The border is square. It is not looking good. Let us make it round by adding border radius. I'm going to use a border radius of 20 pixel. Let us see how it looks. But I want some padding so that it looks good. I want some space around. Padding top and bottom 10 pixel, left and right 30 pixel. Let us refresh it. Now it looks good, but I want to increase the border radius to 40 pixel so that it looks much round. Yes, it is good. Now only thing remaining is hover effect. For that, I'm going to use the same four states: visit, unvisited link, visited, hover, active. So for the unvisited and visited, I'm going to use the same property. And for the hover and active, I'm going to change the background color to the text color and also the text color to the white. A background color is as same as the text color when it is in the visited or unvisited state. Let us copy the color and paste it here. I want color of the text to turn to white when it is hover over. Let us save and refresh it. But it has added to all the four states. Let us just see what had happened here. I have not specified other two states, that is hover and active. So let us specify hover and active. I think it should work now. Yes, it is added. But let us make it little smooth by adding a transition of 0.2 second. Background color and also color of the text 0.2 second. Color 0.2 second. Now it will become smooth when you hover over it. Let us save and refresh. Now hover effect has been added. With this being added, we have come to the end now. Our first home page or landing page is ready now with a beautiful background image. Let us recap what we have done in these two parts. In the first part, we have developed this navigation bar with a smooth hover effect on these elements. In the second part, we have added this tagline section which contains a tagline, a paragraph, and a button. Thank you for watching. In the next video series, we are going to add the next sections, that is about us, services, gallery, and sign up. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching once again.